Superstition in Colombia. In Colombia, there is artisan superstition. The most popular are used during the Christmas season and in mid-March of the New Year. Superstition sets as it 12 grades to make a wish for each month of that coming year, filling your pocket with letters to attract abundance, goings awry that never put to hatch a new year full of travel and adversity, or even wearing yellow underwear to attract wealth. And the most wants in Colombia and some of the most rats. In addition, they are popular superstitions in our daily lives such as if you treat someone's feet the weight based on to basic single and their life is the way a mirror you will have but look for 7 years as we are open and read it and close space. Personality and the numeric not superstition and the pro and the station and everything we want with in its our hands and we are report the church and naked it happen or not. On the other hand, there are people for age, young and old, good believe a lot in the superstitions and believe everything they represent. For example, my aunt every year travels to the south to bathe in the sea because the family believes that salt water helps to clean bad energy. On the other hand, my mom scolds me and my brother every time she see a mirror outside that raises on anxiety. And she says that it is bad luck. There, there is my friend would every time it eats a lager. It benefits her to go on one side of the dragon and under it and he believes that this will bring him bad luck or something bad will happen to him.